Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm Rebecca and today we have a new Dollar Tree weekly shop with me video to show you all what's new and what's been restocked for the second half of the week. We're located in DFW. I went to two different Dollar Tree stores for this part of the week and put all the pictures into one video. So let's go shopping and see what's new. We'll start with the apparel and accessories. We have the Snuggadoo hats with coordinating gloves. They'll have the pom-pom at the top. There are the 2-pack of magic gloves as well, which coordinate with these hats. There's a light ivory, a soft peach. There's also a light gray, and then they also have black. Most of the hats have those pom-poms at the top, and we've got the children and adult sizes. You can see that you're able to still use your cell phone with the gloves on, and the hats, there's the pom-pom up close. You guys can see that one a little bit better and what the material is made out of. We've also got the one size fits most adult hats with 2 ways to wear, slouched or cuffed. So there's different ways. There's an extra large hat. They had those in several colors like white, blue, black, and gray. And those are the adult sizes. We have these knit hats with the ponytail opening at the top, and they have the ribbed style on the sides there. They also come in a couple different colors like the light pink, the gray, black, and ivory. And at the top where your ponytail comes out, there's a small piece of elastic so the hole is closed if you're not wearing it that way. Some new scarves also. These are a nice light material but very pretty. They're extra long, and again, those coordinate with all of the different hats that I just showed. They would make a really nice gift set for Christmas. So here are all of those items together as they put those out one by one. Over in arts and crafts, they had these new mini wood frames. I only found 2 of them hanging on an end cap, but there are 3 in all, and you get 4 in each pack. So these are the 2 mini frames that I found. I found more of their wooden DIY plaques, like the mushroom and the cat and a dinosaur. Those are about 1 inch thick. You can decorate those yourself. We've got the packs of mini mushrooms that are the natural wood waiting to be decorated. Those come in a couple different designs. Also, the wooden dowel rods, you get 4 of those in a packet. We have some crafters square paper. This is the extra hard or extra thick cardstock paper. You get 24 sheets in each pack. There are the crafters square silicone molds for the coasters. There's a circle, a heart, and a flower. And there's the extra large molds. You can get the smaller molds also that say Resin Studio to make earrings and necklaces. And there are 2 different packs of those out right now. We've also got this craft collective charm sets. Now those come anywhere from 4 to 9 pieces. This pack right here you can see has 4 pieces. There's a gummy bear, a gumball machine, and 2 lollipops. Already has the toggle at the top, so you're able to put those on a charm bracelet or on a necklace. They also had these silver charms. It said faith, dream, and hope. And then we've got the baseball set with the glove, balls, and bats. There's the football set with the helmets and footballs. And then they also had some dragonflies, butterflies, hummingbirds, and flowers. That's this pack here. You get 9 different pieces. This one has all the puppy dog items like paw prints, hearts with paw prints, a dog food bowl, dog bone, things that say dog person, and love my dog. The baby and toddler items, we have the Brush Buddy Squishmallow flossers to encourage little ones to brush their teeth. There's also the Crayola Silly Sense flossers and this Be Pure Sensory Teether toy. They had the matching bibs with burp cloths by Angel of Mine. Those come in the black and white, the blue and white, and the gray. You can also get them in this light orange. It's kind of a very natural, earthy tone of orange. It's really pretty. They also had these adorable loofahs. There's 2 bunnies and 2 teddy bears in these 2 different color schemes here with the loofah inside the middle as like the tummy. These are absolutely adorable. I thought these were so stinking cute. And then for the health and beauty section, we've got some new items in cosmetics, a few new things in hair care and hair accessories, and also in the pharmacy and personal care sections. We've got the new lip oils that are the cereal scents. They're Cinnamon Toast Crunch that is clear with the gold glitter, which I hope you can see here in the close-up. We've also got the Lucky Charms that is the clear with the silver glitter. There's the dark pink, that is the fruity or Fruit Loops, and then we've got Fruity Pebbles, which is the dark red flavored lip oil. We have some new brow care. There's the LA Colors Brow Powder, and that comes in 3 different colors to highlight and fill. There's also the Skinny Brow Pencils in light, medium, and dark. This new brow wax, it is a brow shaper. It says it's lightweight for a full defined brow. There's the brow brush. It has the spoolie on one end and an angled brush on the other end. We've got some new barrettes. There are these bows, which are so pretty. They're a soft satiny style, silky material, I guess you could say. And they have all these different pretty ones with the flowers on them, or you can also get the solid colors, and they are the alligator style clip. They have the solid colors here, like a rose. There's black. There is also like a um, lighter pink color. It's kind of like a pink and a almost purple, and then there's blue and black. They had the scunchie barrettes. There's a 2-pack, the purple with the pearls, or the brown and black with the pearls. And those also are those alligator style clips, but they are gold. We had some new manicure sets. There's the tweezers, nail clipper, and files. Or by Vivitar, we have the Simply Beautiful Face Care Kit. You get a scrubber, a pore extractor, tweezers, and an eyebrow shaper, as well as a facial exfoliator. There's also the Must Have Beauty Silicone Lip Scrubbers. Those come in a 2-pack. We have the White Glow Advantage Purple Toothpaste. It says super deal with 88% free. The fun finds this week, we have these Monster High mini figurines for just $1.25, and there are a couple different ones out right now. There's all the different little figurines. We have these new orb confetti balls. It says you just squeeze, and then it's in like that mesh holder. So the gel comes out through the mesh and you can see the confetti. For home decor this week, we have these new gold leaf tea light candle holders for just $1.25. There's a close up of the leaf, and then there's the candle holder. They also had these flocked apples. They are glass with the gold stem and leaf at the top, and they're flocked with the red material. They're really pretty. We had these glass jars. There's 4 of them. They have a mushroom tied, like a mushroom charm tied to the top. And there is a light peach, gray, blue, and an amber color. These glass orbs they had in blue and white. And then the home library, office supply, and teaching tree section, we had these Ticonderoga pencils. There is the primary colors called neon that are pre-sharpened and the pastels. The ink color flow felt tip pens. We have some new colors. It's green, blue, and yellow. And then you can get them in pink, purple, and teal. Also some new binder clips. They say to do, urgent, today, tomorrow, and to do. And then on the other ones, they have the days of the week, like Monday through Friday, and all of these bright colors. I believe there was 10 in all. For housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization, they have these scrub buddies that are shaped like a fall leaf. Those come in several different colors, and they're double-sided. You have the soft sponge on one side and the scrubber scouring sponge on the other. There's these LED night lights. The heart, it glows with a rainbow border. Or you can get the square and that glows yellow. They had a restock of the multi-purpose cement and the Fix-All adhesive. Also, these new microfiber dusting cloths. These come in medium, large, and extra large. They're just like an extra large mitten. We have these multi-surface peppermint sage cleaning wipes. And then the kitchen and pantry section. This week we have these coffee cups, I believe in a 3-pack. They say gather and be grateful. There's a view from the side so you can see the decoration on the cup. You get 4 pieces. There's the Harvest Blessing. It has that collar for all the cups. That one's the green one with the pumpkins and sunflowers. These are the Storage Essentials Shatter-Free Wine Storage for the refrigerator. As you can see, they stack. These were sold out last time almost as soon as they put them out. Also, there's the Sure Fresh 4-pack of the reusable square containers with lids. There's also the circles. They had them in the dark blue with the different ombre colored lids. There's also gray and white. And these are all dishwasher safe. The party supplies this week. We have these fun banners. This one says Shine. It's a 3D style letter. It has a clear plastic over the top of the background there. They have shine and sparkle, and there's confetti in each one. Also, the rainbow foil table covers. And then some new ribbon. For the birthday party, they have, or like birthday wrap, there's pink, purple, blue, and a lime green. And then you've got your purple, white, red, and blue, and then the multicolor pack. For pet care this week, they put out a bunch of their pet bowl placemats in a bunch of different colors. There's the cats and the dog bowls. They had these new pet mats for the cat litter. So you put these in the litter box. It helps them not to track cat litter all through the house. And these all were just $1.25. They had them in black, gray, or tan. And they're like 12 by, I think, 20. Also some new food bowls. These are really pretty. They have this soft blue and a very soft green with that silver stripe through the center. And now for the seasonal items. I found some kitchen towels that say Death by Candy with the stacked pumpkins. The spider, it says Creep It Real. There's also, this is where the magic happens with the witch's cauldron and all the different characters like Frankenstein and a mummy. We have some new tumblers. There's are 3 different. There's orange, green, and blue. Together, my favorite color is autumn and thankful and grateful. Some glass pumpkin candles. The green one is, I'm not sure what scent the green one is, but the yellow one is the golden apple cider scent. We have some Christmas items out as well. There are the snowman ornaments. They have a bunch of these corrugated cardboard ornaments and the little miniature sleighs. Those are all out. They had the snowflake ornaments, a bunch of the nutcrackers, the motion activated Santas, and a ton of different ornaments that you can DIY. We've got the all white. There's, of course, the clear in several different sizes. They had just a bunch of boxes of those in the center aisle. They have the decorative ornament that looks like a light bulb and one that looks kind of like an M&M when you turn it sideways. Also, the gnome for the holidays with the gnomes. These were out last year. There are oven mitts and hot pad holders. The light up candy canes. Those are 30 inches tall for just $1.25. And some new ornaments. And there were 2 of those, like baby Jesus in the manger. The toys and games. We have the squid spinner by Pops. It's a sensory style toy. Also the squishies. We've got the dinosaur, the puppy. There's also this little unicorn, all rainbow, very cute. Miniature princess. We've got Cinderella and Ariel. These are all by Mattel. They had Belle. And then some My Little Ponies. Those come with a bonus collectible card. There's Hitch, and I believe this one is Pip. And then the Dollar Tree Plus section, we have these large squishy dogs. They're a sensory toy as well. I believe these are $5 each. They have the large puppy in blue, green, and purple. View from the side. extra large pillows for $5. There's the dark red, a dark navy blue, gray. This one has a little bit of a different decorative pattern on the outside. And then there's the dark blue. We have the makeup blocks $5 packs to make race cars. These are all called the bigger build. There's the large vehicles, so there's a bunch of different cars, especially racing cars in different colors. Also, the pretend cleaning kit, which is so cute, even has the wet floor sign. It's adorable. There's a mop bucket, a little mop, a dust buster, some spray cleaner. We have the food group play set. This comes with different baskets or like crates of food, and they're stackable. 25 different pieces. Some more of the makeup blocks. We have Venice. That one's 181 pieces for $3. There's a San Francisco Bridge. That one also is $3. These range anywhere from 3 to 5 depending on the size. The characters that the legs are extendable, they have those back in for 5, and all of the countdown characters. Some of the nutcrackers, more of the countdown characters for Christmas. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I know I sound a little bit tired. It's kind of really late in the day, but I had some family issues going on, so I apologize. Everything's fine, so thank you for that. I hope y'all have a lovely day and have a lovely weekend. I'll see you back here next time.